friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking pork belly in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, you need pork belly, and it's cut into about 1-inch thick slices. And you need olive oil to make the skin extra crispy, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. So we're just going to drizzle pork belly with olive oil. And sprinkle with seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And now let's rub the seasonings in. And make sure the skin is oiled with the oil. And now let's flip it over to the other side if you didn't season, and also sprinkle it with seasonings. Again, rub it so everything is coated with oil and seasoning. And now let's take out the air fryer basket and put the pork belly in the air fryer basket, skin side up. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 25 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the pork belly. Look at this, so nicely browned with a perfect crispy skin. Looks amazing. Now I recommend measuring the internal temperature because all the air fryers cook differently, and also the thicker pieces will take longer. So the recommended internal temperature for pork belly is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So if it's not 200, just put it back in the air fryer for 400 degrees Fahrenheit for another 5 minutes or so until it's 200 internal temperature. So mine is fully cooked. Look how good it looks. So let me take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Looks so good. Look at that pork belly. And now let's try it. So let me just cut a piece. So the meat is very tender and it's fully cooked. Perfect. So delicious. It's so juicy, perfectly seasoned, so easy to make in the air fryer. You will love cooking pork belly in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!